Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I wanted to get on here real quick. This is going to be a very short video, but I wanted to do a completion review of the products that I received from One Day Savings. Now, like I said, they had sent me these to show to all of you some of the things that they carry. And y'all, I had so much fun doing this. I got a little frustrated with the wind chime, with how you're supposed to tie it and everything. But, I mean, it wasn't anything major. So, I'm going to go through these real quick. So, the first thing I have is this face mask. And like I said, this is a foamy type, very soft material. And it is, as you can see, a Boston Terrier. And the face mask was $2.93. And like I said, there were 9 different styles in this. But I had no issues putting these on here. There's very, very little excess stickiness. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. Just like if you can see like this outline. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. That outline, that's actually not sticky. It's not. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to have an issue with these falling off. It was extremely sticky. So this was very fun. And like I said, I don't think I'm going to have any issues of the drills falling off of this, unless, you just kind of wad it up or something. But anyway, that was really fun to do. Now, with all of these, I used the leaf tray, and y'all, even the one that's cracked, really didn't have any issues with the crack in it. There was just a couple spots that, the drills wouldn't slide, but no issues. And I could have used this end, but I did use this one. So all of these projects, I used the leaf tray. And then I used with the special drills, like in the butterfly, and the toes of the dog paw, I did use this. And y'all, I love this. I really do. So I will be using this quite often. So the next thing I had, and I know that it's kind of hard to see this, but I had the double-sided butterfly. And y'all, isn't that so pretty? The colors are awesome. And it just sparkles. And this is going to be very cute. And then as you can hear, the chimes on it. I got just a little frustrated on trying to figure out the instructions on how to tie this part, because it was a little confusing, but in the end, I did figure it out. But this was $5.99, and there are 10 different styles of this. But very, very, very fun to do. Alright, now the next thing I had was this plaque. It says, "My dog is not spoiled, I'm just well trained." And y'all, I really do like this. And I thought these were black, but they're not. They're dark, like a black blue. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. And this is like a purple, very dark purple, and then the little gold diamonds shapes went right into the paw, or into their toes. And this was, you just tie a knot on it. So, and this plaque was $4.99. 9. So, all in all, I am very, very pleased. I had a ton, and I can show y'all. I had a ton left over. I did not run out of anything. So, that is great. I can put those in my, whatever it's called. So, yeah, very impressed. And again, I will put all the description or all the links in my description box, along with that 5% off discount code. So, yeah, I just wanted to get on here real quick and show y'all what this stuff looked like after it was completed. And y'all, if you've never done any of this stuff, you need to. It's really quite fun. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And until my next video, I will see all of y'all later. Bye, y'all.